Everyone, you're welcome to Franka's kitchen. So today I want to show or share with you how I cleaned my microwave. In here I've got water and vinegar, a mixture of vinegar, and then I'm squeezing in my lemon just to give it that fresh smell and also to clean it. So I'm just going to set it, see, right in the middle. It's quite dirty. Yeah, it's dirty, not beating around the bush. So what I'm gonna do, I'm squeezing the whole lemon because I will have nothing to do with the other ones later. So I'm just gonna set it in.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours, my love is forever yours. I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours.
Done. Even if nobody praises me for this cleaning, I'm gonna praise myself. Vex if you want vex. I tried. I went inside, like I cleaned everywhere with toothpick. Yeah, there was some food food inside, like fat, and yeah. So I'm done with cleaning my microwave. Yeah, check. So I am done. The reason why I even decided to clean it today, I remember the story, and someone who had a visitor, she cleaned everywhere as she should, But when the visitor came, the place, only place that she has not even touched for almost 2 weeks, was when the visitor saw, and it was the microwave, all dirty. I mean, she was exhausted, you know. So I'm done with mine. Even if nobody praised me, I'll praise myself for this microwave. So, Shama, thank you so much for stopping by. Hope to see you in my next video. So, hope you clean your own after this. Have a lovely time and stay safe. Me loving my microwave.